Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. Today is day 7 and I hope you're having a nice weekend. Today a very easy one, it's a gradient text fill. Let's jump into Bricks. Okay, we're back into Bricks, and first, before I show you exactly how to put the gradient on the text, then let's see what we're going to be doing. We have the first example here, which is a linear gradient, and here we have the second one, which is a radial gradient. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's go first on this one. We have here our heading. We're going to head straight away to the CSS. We're going to want to target the root, of course. So here is a shortcut from Advanced Themer, but of course you could just type it the same way. All right, so we're going to use the property background, of course, and as a value we're going to put WebKit linear gradient. Then we're going to put open a parentheses. We're going to put the degrees we want. We're going to put 180 for now. Then I'm going to put my variable for the color. Then we're going to put a comma, open another, sorry, not a parentheses yet. We're going to put a variable for the second color. Okay, that's what we have. As you can see right now, we have the linear gradient happening in the background. So now we're going to have to clip that to the text. So we're going to jump to the next line and we're going to put WebKit background clip text semicolon. And here we don't see anything because we're going to have to put a text fill color of transparent. So that's what we're going to do now. WebKit text fill color transparent. And here you go. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you the difference with the other code. And here we are, and we have the background. And instead of linear gradient, we have here the radial gradient, of course, which is on the shape of a circle. And our two colors, basically. And the rest is the same. So this way you can play with the colors. So you could put here an ellipse, for example, to make it different. You see, you can really play with it. So this is a very easy way to implement and highlight some text. For example, in your heading, you could have the first part of your heading being completely normal style, and then the last part being with the gradient, so it catch the eye of the visitor. I think it's a really cool method. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join and I'd be very happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's tricks for bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!